Ako ba na? Oh, suot lang daan. Kaya suot lang kasi oh. Okay, para di na kayo para di ka na magkarakara. Oh, congrats mga. Dili ka ako bidyuhan kay nagsamin naman ko. Yan oh. Oh. Ah. Oy, mapas ako rito. So yan yung gymnasium, mga kapatid. At ayun na sila, naglalakad lang sila. Yan, nagpractice na sila ng paso.
Pasok, intro, tritso, let's go!
Boy Tripping Official. Ay, Boy Tripping Vlog.
Mga kapatid! For today's video. Alright, atin po tayo ng moving up. So, yun. Grade 10 na po yung aking anak na babae. Moving up na po siya ngayon. So, ayan. Magagamit na natin tong garland na to. No? Ano lang to? Pahiramin na natin tapos kunin agad. So ito yung garland. Yan, no? Alright. So ito yung aming gawang money garland. So atong yan ganyan to. Yan, no? Ayun. Ayun mga kapatid, oh. Yan yung ano, flex muna natin. Alright. So tarungin natin baka makasabain tayo nito. Oh, tayo ba? Yun, what's up? Alright, so yun mga kapatid, ito nga yung garland, oh, yung money garland. So yun, yung aking anak na si Tweety Arn ay moving up. Moving up lang ngayon, so siya po ay grade 10. So yan po, moving up niya. So pupunta ako doon sa my gym. At actually nandito na ako sa gym. So hintayin ko na lang sila at talagang magano na kami, magpila na. So parang wala pang tao. So you know. So let's go. Ayan, atin tayo ng moving up ceremony, grade 10. So yan, shout out sa ating avatar. Alright, so yun, let's go. Good luck. Congrats sa mga nag-moving up grade 10. Yan. Let's go, let's go. Yo mga kapatid, at tayo ay nandito na po sa area kung saan marami na po sila. So antay-antay lang po tayo dahil malapit na po yung mag-start ang program. So paso tayo ngayon, grade 10. Yun, no? Parents. Woo, congratulations. Kina na. Oh, wala na. Wala na arte-arte. Wala na. Arte ka. Oh, yeah.
Right side.
Oh.
Right side.
Right side. Oh, di na ta. Right side na ito. Pangita sa dito ka. Ayaw, balikin na ko dito. Pangita sa asay mo mga kuan. Right side man, may good. Parents, mga parents, right side mga parents.
Si Maria.
Oh. Alright, so dirita. Kayo man. Oh, hindi na ma-video. Bawat kayo. Right. Ayun. Malapit na talaga tayo dito sa entrance ng Gem Nation. Shout out.
Kita pa sa iya. Wala sa kita sa rilo.
Asal din na ba tayo?
Wala mo gusto katrin papa tapunan.
Kobe Bryant.
Wait, abot mo ko dati. Kasar ako lingkod, wait. Shout out Boy Danlak. Sa saan ka si Boy Danlak ngayon? Nag-graduate din yung ano niya.
From instrumental in shaping our minds and character. You have not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled values that will help us and guide us as we move forward. Thank you for believing in us and for your tireless efforts in helping us reach this point. I would also like to take this opportunity to say thank you to my very supportive parents. They have been supportive of me since day one, and I am more than grateful and thankful that I have them as my parents. Words really cannot fully express the love that I have for you, Mama and Daddy. I may not be the perfect or best daughter, but I am going to try my best. I promise you that I will work hard, finish school, so that one day I can provide for your wants and needs, to repay you for all the sacrifices you made, and to finally give you the life that you actually deserve. Without you, Mama and Daddy, I will not be here today. Thank you also to my friends who have been true friends to me since the day we met. You know who you are. And most of all, thank you, God, for all your blessings. To my fellow candidates for completion, today marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. We have shared countless memories, faced numerous challenges, and celebrated many victories together. As we move up to the next stage of our education, let us carry with us the lessons that we have learned. Let us embrace the future with confidence, knowing that we are more than prepared to take on new challenges and opportunities. Today is not just a celebration of our accomplishments, but also a reflection of the hard work, perseverance, and resilience that have brought us here. As we step into the future, let us remember and never forget the values and principles that President Manuel A. Rojas National High School has instilled in us. Now before I end, I would like to extend my warmest congratulations to each and every one of you. Clap your hands, everybody. May this day be a reminder of how far we've come and be a source of inspiration for the journeys that lie ahead. Be proud of yourselves and never, ever give up. Once again, welcome to this special occasion and God bless you all. Thank you.
Omar Mil and 120 Omar female who satisfactorily completed the requirements required by the Department of Education, sir.
By the authority vested in me as the school principal to Weimar National High School this school year 2023-2024, and through the recommendation of yours, curriculum head Sir Junando, that you have satisfactorily completed the basic requirement in secondary education, I now accept and confirm you completers. Pakpakan na to ang mga bata.
Again, congratulations, batch 2024! Completers, the moment you have been excited about has finally arrived. At this juncture, you will now be receiving your certificate of completion, the symbol of your accomplishments in the junior high school. To begin with, may I request all the dignitaries here on stage to stay at the center for the distribution of certificates. From the Science, Technology, and Engineering curriculum, Barlan John David Umawa. Assistant Joshua Ruel Harmasa. Kanyana J. Lloyd Simon, Marion Anelupa Tiveros, Corporal Rachel James Sulatan, Duran Michelle Belicado, Indino Jaya Tugana, Indo Ira Mitcha Enriquez, Kim Kiss Bulacan, Napo Jasmine Christine Alguero Bar, Antuba Lori Ann Velasco, Nano Mary Grace Lacdamino, Paga Jeremy Sarda, Quintero Jesseline Quintinita, Itoy Trixie Nicole Ricaberto, Residentes Erica Joy Villanueva, Ruby Juby Ann Tugana, Santa Rita Liza Balanza, Vicente Cristina Cassandra Idoco, Villanueva Ana Ana. From the regular program, Agla Patrick O'Neill, Magina Roy Kirby Pitinola, Pinoto Jeffrico Camino, Boroman Princess Anne Adam, Cabrera Chloe Bayjanco, Papas Marlene Shane Hanna, Nardona April Rose Tanya, Gregorio Ana Lenama, Generoso Laika Alinyon, Nantes Pretty Art Pininola, No Sarah Marie Del Rey, Pat Mariette Castro, Sarmiento Riri Wasserman,
Na.
Agustin
Ay,
G.
ama daw.
Malo
Daw, dayon.
Belarmino Gerald Tugana,
Ano, ipatanaw, sinto may ipatanaw, pasim no. Ano ba? Ito, iba, anak. Ano ba, kani? Ipatanaw. Na. Pa rin.
Feras Aljumar Salon,
Congrats! Imo na.
Fermin Joshua Tanaka, Bennett Ben Jr. Sulante, Cesar Rustin Dave, Sumango Michael Rantes, Agunbon Jonisa Rosilio, Tejada
Kaso din meron.
With honors and conduct our duty. Orcalas, Queen Jezebel I, with honors. Quintero, Reza Joy B, with honors.
Oh yeah.
Get ready, Magsaysay. Section Magsaysay, get ready. This is time for section knowledge. Dito ang boses ng i-customize ito. Okay, good. Good. Ang mga tabunan din sa likod. Good. Dito. Sige, ready. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Next, Magsaysay. Section Magsaysay. Arrange yourselves according to your duty. Okay, kneel down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and smile.
Oh yeah, pe. Sa may ako doon, kung na lang ko, sa tira ko.
Okay, next.
Ayun ka dili. Ha?
Section Aguinaldo, last section.
Wala na lagi ko.
Come.
Ganda na ko ba ito?
Section
Oh, ang tubig niyo maman. Sa pro, oh yes mga kapatid, at doon na po natatapos yung ating moving up ceremony. So right, so yun, at ako pa'y pauwi na. So yun, salamat sa pag-view at sa pag-support sa aking mga munting uploads, munting vlog. So right, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you po, Planet Sword, Naimo Fan Fitness, love you po. Sagip Squad, kay Tol Jerry Hunter. Salute Tol, salute. Right, salute Tol, salute. At saka kay Kuya Jun Spino. Yan, salamat sa inyo lahat. Mega love shoutout. Darius Prakatak, Motianon Vloggers, lahat na po na sumusuporta sa aking YouTube channel. So, Salamat na po. At let's go. Dul! Wapo nga kabuan, bodyguard. So yun guys, so shout out sa lahat. Yo, peace out. Lovely Muse. May patanaw si Lovely Muse.
Ayoko na akong tanaw.
Dili. Alright. Saan na siya? GAS? Ano na? Junior High School Completer. Congratulations, Tweety and Q90's batch. Saan siya? Lovely Muse. The Lovely Muse. Yay! Yun, Muse pala. Ito, Muse. Abi na ko, the Lovely Mouse. Mouse ba? Mouse. Oh, alright. Daw, uy.
Wala, kuy-kuhan. Kinilakaw-lakaw pa si Papa.
Lovely Muse na.
Ha?
Misi. Tarong nga gisi. Ano bang Muse? Tanong nga ba? Ngisi.
Wala sa isa dito, Pai?
Tawad.
Pai.
Lovely Muse.